We're excited to be bringing rod manufacturing back to the US after 70 years. Once we decided to move a rod cell to the United States, selecting the location was simple. We already have world-class manufacturing for diamond bits, as well as a distribution center. We are located in the middle of all of our key customers, making it well-suited to respond quickly.
We're going to be able to manufacture in Salt Lake City the Super Q, the RQ, and the XQ models. Right here behind me is our manufacturing cell that is fully integrated and fully automated to produce very reliable coating rods. In today's very complex world, it's very important to respond efficiently and effectively to the market needs. And I believe having this operation back and running in Salt Lake City is going to help us to serve our customers in the US and Mexico in a very efficient manner, specifically those in Arizona, in Nevada, and obviously here in Utah.